Hey, my beautiful Tea Party Squad. Welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I have the new Be Happy box by The Happy Planner, and I want to unbox it and show you guys what's in the inside. I will have more information and details within this video and also down in my description box if you decide to go ahead and pick you up one of these beautiful Be Happy box. So let's go ahead and dive right into this Be Happy box. All right, so the box is going to come just like this with this beautiful white and pink polka dot box, and it says have a grateful heart. So I like how sometimes the sticker kind of sets the theme for the box. So let's get right into it. All right, so the inside is with this beautiful silver paper, tissue paper, and then the sticker here says happy and grateful, and like this nice blush little sticker here. Go ahead and take everything out. All right, so let's go ahead and just slide everything like that. Ooh, so you guys, do y'all see this? Okay, there is so much to go over. Let me go ahead and just kind of pull each item into frame so that way we can kind of be surprised together. So that was just like a little sneak peek. So of course we get this right here. It says be your own kind of happy. And then on the back of this is the contents of what's inside this box. So I'm not going to show you that because I want to show you guys what all is inside of it. All right, so first up are these washi tapes. This is a cute little washi tape bundle. Definitely is going to make our planners or our bullet journals very sophisticated like. I just love it. So I can't wait to start adding these washi tapes to my spread. So the blush pink one is like in this graphed line or grid texture or style. And then we have the dotted or polka dot grid, and then we have a washi tape that has numbers, and I believe it goes all the way to 10. So it's be great to add into our bullet journals or even our planners, or maybe we want to do like a top 10 list. This would be great to use within our planners. All right, so next item up is this beautiful sticky notepad that says happy and grateful all around. I love this. This would be great to add like memos or cute little reminders in our planners, and also adding to our desk space because this would be convenient for me. So that was a look at the sticky notepad. All right, the next item up is this binder clip, paper clip, and push pin set. Let you guys see this. So it's in like a clear case. And so we have our push pins, our paper clips, and our binder clips in here. Really cute. And they are going to be sealed here and here with some clear tape so it doesn't come out. But I like that. And the push pins are like in a ball point or in like a ball. I love those push pins. Really cute. All right, next up is this PVC pouch. You guys, this is so chic and clean. It says this and that. Yes, and so it's a little see-through as you can see, but I love it. Nice, cute little PVC pouch. But this would be great to use with pins, and also to add some of our planner companions in here, like pens, markers, highlighters, all those fun things. Maybe some smaller stickers, whatever. We can definitely store them in here. And it has like a little zipper at the top. So cute. And then the back is just plain. All right, so the next item up is this beautiful pen holder. It has an elastic band, and it slips around or onto our happy planners so that we'll always have a pen on hand. Definitely love this because I love having a pen nearby. Very stretchable. And actually, I want to test it out. I want to see if it's going to fit on a classic, and also if it's going to fit on a mini. Do y'all want to see that? Let's check it out. All right, so first let's test it out on a mini. So this is the mini happy planner, part of the new fall release. And it could fit, but it's not a snug fit. It might slide a bit. So if you are a mini lover and you love, or you have a mini happy planner, it will fit, but again, it does not have a tight snug on there. It will move quite a bit. So maybe on a mini planner. All right, next up, let's try on a classic size Happy Planner. And I use this as my social media planner. So I definitely need to have pens on hand. So yes, it will fit a classic size planner, and it's very snug, so it will not move. Whereas with the mini, it will move just a little bit. So just want to let you see that. All right. All right, next item is this beautiful snap-in checklist stencil. I don't know if you can see that. So you have your circles here, and then you have your lines here. And I love this because you're able to make a checklist or a list in a snap within your planners. Super cute. All right, next item is this beautiful 4-inch die cut sticker. I love this, and we're able to stick this anywhere in our planners or even on our planner covers. I love this. Oh my gosh, so we are going to get a value pack sticker book within our Live a Life of Gratitude, Be Happy box. It's so cute. Do y'all see this? I am definitely going to be doing a separate sticker book flip through of this sticker book and giving you a close up of each of the pages in here. This is a 30-page sticker book, and this sticker book has 718 pieces in here. Oh my goodness, do y'all see the spoiler on the back of this? Do y'all see that? So if you want to see a sticker book flip through of that, make sure you stay tuned, because I will be doing a sticker book flip through of the Happy and Grateful Value Pack sticker book. All right, so next up is this beautiful guided journal. I am loving the cover in this beautiful blush, and it says the future begins now. And this is how it looks on the back. And then it comes with the silver plastic disc. And I love that. It's really, really cute, and it's in the classic size. I will be doing a detailed flip through of this guided journal so you can kind of see all the guided prompts in here. But I just want to show you what it looks like in the inside as well. But this is what the layout is going to look like. But again, I will be doing a detailed flip through of this. So if you want to get a close up, I will definitely do that. And so this is called the Gratitude Layout. So I am all here for it. And so you get a glimpse of what each of the dividers are going to look like. And they have the black, the blush, the gray, and the white divider tabs. So here for it. Ooh. Already getting a peekaboo of what kind of paper is in there. So that's like a little blush shaded area here. And just get like a little peekaboo. You see that? Okay. So I am going to be doing a detailed flip through of this so you guys can kind of see that. So make sure you stay tuned for that. All right, last item up is going to be some filler paper. Are you ready for this filler paper? All right, so this is what the filler paper looks like. You can use these papers to stay organized. You can manage your goals. If you need to reflect on the moments of gratitude, you can definitely use that. And it will fit perfectly in a classic size Happy Planner, or it also can fit in this beautiful classic size guided journal notebook here. So I am going to take it out so you can kind of see a close-up of this one. And also check out to see what the back looks like. So here is the filler paper here. So you get your month, your year, and it's undated. So that's really good. You can kind of write it in your month and your year and number them if you want. And you can just start whenever. And then on the back is just lined paper for extra notes and extra space for that. So I like this. Let me see how many sheets come in here, because I'm not for sure. I like to know how many sheets comes in this filler paper. All right, so I counted 30 sheets of this filler paper that will come in this Live a Life of Gratitude. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Live a Life of Gratitude Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. I absolutely love it. I just love the color scheme as well. This blush, the black, and the white is just so clean and elegant. I just love it. So again, the items that we are going to get in this Be Happy box, just to wrap it up, we are going to get a guided journal. We are also going to get a sticker value pack sticker book, and also washi tape, filler paper, stencils, a pen holder, a PVC pouch, binder clip, paper clip, and push pin set, as well as a sticky notepad, and also a 4-inch die cut sticker. So I hope that you will find the tools in this Live a Life of Gratitude box that will help you live a happier life of growth, gratitude, and self-love with all of these tools and items in this Be Happy box. Again, if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Tekoa, and I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. And so if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I hope you enjoyed this Live a Life of Gratitude Be Happy box by The Happy Planner.